Alright, so this is just a follow-up video. Um, when I originally got these sockets, they were had a little bit of surface rust on them. So I got evaporust, and it basically took off all the black oxide coating. So I ended up getting this Caswell black oxide concentrate, and then was able to refinish them. It's a little lighter shade than the OEM. This is a factory black oxide finish. The shade's a little lighter, but for the most part, you know, hopefully it'll prevent some of the rust from coming back. But overall, I was pretty happy with the product. You just get distilled water, and then just kind of mix in the concentrate, and just basically put them in the bath for like 5 minutes, and it redarkens the metal. But again, I just wanted to kind of show how I was able to refinish the impact sockets. But yeah, thanks for watching.